Hey folks, man, it's your boy Monk, and we back outside, man. I told y'all I'm not going back indoors with these sneakers until further notice, or if the weather's too bad for me to be out here. But we back with a special pair, man. So yeah, this is one that I haven't done on here before. I've done this type of shoe before, but this is a special edition of that, man. So we're gonna be looking at the Air Max 90 special edition, man. So this is gonna be the Ken Griffey Jr. Edition, you know what I'm saying? So this is dope right here, man. So turn on the notifications and subscribe to the channel, because we're gonna be bringing more of this, man. You're gonna want to come back, bro. So let's take a look at these. Boom, immediately. Flavors, come on, son. Look at that, dude. Look at that, right out the box. I didn't even have to do nothing. Look how that perfectly laid, so I can show you the shoe, man. This is amazing right here. So it's the Air Max 90, man. You know what I'm saying? We've seen this shoe, one of the most popular Air Maxes to ever be released. But this pair is special. You know, we've got the Ken Griffey Jr. touches on here. You know, as well as the coloring. You know, that fits his. You know, when he was with the Mariners, so it fits that team's. You know what I'm saying? Color scheme. But we've also got some nice touches right here, man. So this is crazy right here. This accent, this baseball. You know what I'm saying? Stitch right there. That's purposely on there to show you this is baseball related, man. You know what I'm saying? We also got Ken Griffey's signature 24 on this emblem piece right here. Shiny looking, gold looking things, probably made out of something that's not gold. But yeah, also on the flip side, we got his infamous swing. It's been said that Ken Griffey Jr. has the best swing in baseball. You know what I'm saying? So that's a nice detail right here. We get the tread, you know, typical Air Max bottoms and soles that we've become accustomed to. And, you know, it's got the color scheme going as well in these, man. So I think that's a dope touch right here. You know, Air Max on the side. The construction, everything else is so Air Max, you know. And I like how they're playing around with the colors and putting the accents in the right places. You know what I'm saying? So this is a fire shoe right here, bruh. This is crazy, man. This is one of the best drops of 2021, man. They dropped a 4-pack of these. Pretty much updating it was the Air Max 90, the Vapor Max, Air Force One, and Griffey's signature model. They all got new color schemes. They all pretty much line up with this. Let's take a look at this the sole insert. You know what I'm saying? We got his hat to the back. That was another thing Griffey did, man. He was definitely known for that hat to the back, which was kind of disruptive in a sport, you know, that's pretty conservative. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so these things have a lot of dope details going on, man. Especially right here, we got on the sole as well. You know, we get the hat to the back as well as his player number. And these are fire, dude. Like, almost too fire to wear. But you know, Monk be rocking his kicks, yo. I'll be rocking my kicks, and I encourage everyone to do the same, man. So, but that's it, man. I'm not gonna hold you. I'm not gonna hold you. So subscribe to the channel, man. We're gonna be back soon with more Monk spots. I got a lot of heat in the closet to go through, man. I've just been accumulating these shoes and haven't been doing videos on them. I apologize for that sloth, that laziness from your boy. But yo, we out of here. We coming back soon, man. We hitting hard. You know what I'm saying?